Welcome grade 1 and 2 to PE online learning, and we have your first lesson. So for first lesson you do not need any gym equipment. All you need is your body and your passion and your determination to complete this workout. So we have Miss Sonia here. Miss Sonia is also going to help us demonstrate these exercises, and we have Mr. Abdul right behind this camera who's helping us record this video. So you have 6 exercises, and we have given this name Power of 30. Why? Each exercise you do it for 30 seconds. So the first exercise is push-ups. So you do 2 versions. One is advanced push-up, which is your body is straight and you're touching the ground and your body is straight. The differentiation, the other version is you put your knees down and you do your push-up. Well done. And that's your first exercise. Now second exercise is plank, elbow plank. That's the way. Your body is straight, your hip is not dipping down, your hip is not up, it's just parallel to the ground. So that's not the way. This is not the way either. This way. You keep your body straight and parallel to the ground. Now third one is double hops. For double hops, you keep your body straight, body is parallel to the ground, bring your both feet in the front, and you keep your body straight. You're not going to move your body like that. Keep your body straight. That's your double hop. Now fourth exercise, pencil jumps. Remember Mr. Abdullah I taught you, you bend your knee, swing your arms back, and you jump up and be like a pencil, straight. Here, pencil. The fifth exercise, arm plank. Now instead of your elbow, now your arms are straight, and this is your arm plank. Again, body is straight. The last exercise is 180-degree jump. If you're facing one side, you should be finishing your move to the other side. If I'm facing this side, I end up finishing the other side. So that's your 180-degree jump. That's Miss Sonia. Thank you, Miss Sonia. So these are your 6 exercises. Come on, Mr. Abdul, let's show them. Push-ups, elbow plank, double hops, pencil jumps, arm plank, and 180-degree jump. So this is your set 1. This is your 1 set. If you want to push yourself further, you can do 1 more set. You can do the same exercises 1 more time. Remember, every exercise for 30 seconds. Ask your parents or your brother or sister to hold the camera or your timer, and they can also join you. Good luck.